Hey there, magic makers. Anukool here from the AI Marketing School, where we make marketing magically profitable. Today, we're diving deep into the world of investing. Yes, that thing that sounds complicated, but is really just a ticket to your financial freedom. Imagine turning your pocket change into a fortune while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, stick with me, because I'm about to sprinkle some fairy dust on your investing game. We'll break it down so it's as easy as pie. No complicated jargon here. Ready? Let's get this money party started. Alright folks, let's start our journey with a blast from the past. Picture this. It's 1985, and you're all excited about investing. Your money's climbing higher and higher, until boom, Black Monday hits, and it's a nosedive that has your friends screaming sell. But you hold tight. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a financial superhero, but a little patience can turn you into a legend. Here's your first tip: ease of entry. Setting up an investment account today is a breeze. Back in my day, I had to call a stockbroker. Imagine the stress. But now, apps like Trading 212 are here to save the day. You'll want to open a tax-advantaged account, like a stocks and shares ISA in the UK or a Roth IRA in the States. Why? Because nobody likes unnecessary taxes, except maybe the tax man. Pro tip: don't just deposit money, get free stocks. When you open an account with my code TILBURY, you could snag a free share worth up to £100. Who doesn't love free stuff? Next up, let's chat about winning strategies. You've probably heard of index funds, right? Think of it like the Billboard charts, but for stocks. You invest in all the top companies like Amazon and Tesla with just one click. That's the magic of diversification. Spread your bets, so if one stock stumbles, your portfolio stays upright. Smart work over hard work every time. Now for my favorite, automating your investments. Just like my son's little experiment. He's been tossing in a $5 into the S&P 500 every day. That's less than your daily coffee. And look, he's already seeing some sweet returns. Automation is your best friend. Set it and forget it, folks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't investing risky? Well, here's your insider secret. Starting early is the key. Imagine this: investing consistently from age 25 versus waiting until 35. That's a decade of magic compounding on your side. Even when the market dips, your long-term strategy will help you ride the waves. Trust me, even if the market throws you curveballs, you'll be in it for the long haul like a champion. Okay, moneymakers, time for some audience engagement. What's your wildest get money quick idea? Drop it in the comments. I'll dive in and give you my thoughts. And hey, if you're serious about stacking those digital dollars, don't forget to hit subscribe and join me each week. Let's make those dreams a reality together. To wrap it all up, remember these key takeaways. Open that account, automate your investments, and stay the course. Investing isn't just about money. It's about creating your future. In digital marketing, the smartest work wins, so keep learning, keep earning. Don't forget to check out TheAIMarketingSchool.com for deeper dives into all things marketing and money-making strategies. See you next time, magical investors.